Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Many people watch my videos and ask where to get a pen like mine. The answer is that you can't buy it offline. You can order it on the internet or make it yourself. In this video I will show you how to make a pen mod. For those who understood nothing, the art of spinning pens is called pen spinning. For pen spinning you need a pen mod. Pen mod is from the word modification, that is a modified pen. It is modified so that it has a center balance. This is the only condition for spinning pens. Of course you can repeat some tricks with a regular pen, but with a regular pen the balance is biased towards the cap, so it is highly recommended to have a pen mod for training. For this video I took apart one of my old pen mods. You don't have to search for these exact parts. The main idea of this video is to show you what the mod is made of and inspire you to make it independently from what you have. So the first thing you need is the barrel. The barrel is usually made from felt tip pens because they are longer and larger in diameter than pens. You should cut a long enough piece of felt tip pen, since the barrel must be long enough. The mod in general needs to be around 14 to 24 centimeters. It depends on how much you have a big hand. The barrel must be completely smooth. For the mod which I am now assembling, a barrel is made from two felt tip pens connected to each other. This is because the mod is long, more than 20 centimeters. You don't have to sweat and just find one long felt tip pen. If you want to staple two felt tip pens, then it is done like this. You find a pen with a smaller diameter, cut a piece from it, put glue on it and insert it into a felt tip pen like this to keep it tight. And then on the other side you put on the second felt tip pen. The second thing you need is two pieces of the cap. You take such a cap and just cut off a piece of it. Then you put them on the sides. It's just for weight. Pro tip here is, if you have your pens and felt tip pens do not fit in diameter to fit tightly on top of each other, you just take Scotch tape and wind several layers until you manage to tightly put the pieces on top of each other. The last thing you need is two tips and two grips. These grips look ugly because the rubber turns dirty yellow over time. It will look beautiful for you. The grips should be of sufficient size so that it all holds. Put it inside the grip like this and then put it all on your barrel. As a result, you will get a mod with a normal balance and it will definitely be better than a regular pen. Trick tutorials are on my channel in the playlists section and enable subtitles there. That's all. Subscribe to the channel and good luck in pen modding.